Astonishingly, the Indian python, also known as the Indian rock python, can reach a staggering length of up to 20 feet. That's longer than the average car and a testament to the awe-inspiring power of nature. Welcome to an exploration into the world of these magnificent creatures. The Indian python is a member of the Pythonidae family and is native to a vast range of habitats across India and its neighboring countries. They are known for their incredible size, with some individuals growing to be among the longest snakes in the world. But their size isn't the only thing that makes them stand out. These pythons are non-venomous, but they are constrictors. This means they squeeze their prey to death rather than using venom to kill or incapacitate them. They coil their muscular bodies around their prey and squeeze tighter each time the prey exhales until it can no longer draw breath. They then consume their prey whole, capable of dislocating their jaws to swallow large meals. Indian pythons are nocturnal creatures, preferring to hunt under the cover of darkness. They primarily feed on mammals, but they have been known to eat birds and reptiles as well. And despite their imposing size, they are incredibly good swimmers, often found near water sources. Indian pythons are oviparous, meaning they lay eggs. A female python can lay anywhere from 20 to 100 eggs at a time. She will then coil around her eggs, providing warmth and protection until they hatch. Now, these pythons are not just fascinating creatures, they play a vital role in their ecosystems. As apex predators, they help control the populations of their prey species, contributing to a balanced and healthy environment. Despite their importance, Indian pythons face numerous threats. Habitat loss due to deforestation and urbanization is a significant concern, as is hunting for their skin. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these remarkable creatures and their habitats. In conclusion, the Indian python is a fascinating creature of immense size and strength. They are non-venomous constrictors that can consume prey much larger than their head, thanks to their ability to dislocate their jaws. They are nocturnal hunters and excellent swimmers, laying up to 100 eggs at a time. As apex predators, they play a crucial role in maintaining balance in their ecosystems. However, they face serious threats from habitat loss and hunting. Today, we've delved into the world of the Indian python, learning about their unique characteristics, their role in the ecosystem, and the challenges they face. These magnificent creatures continue to captivate us, demonstrating the power, beauty, and complexity of the natural world.